Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I upload beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are testing Relove. I absolutely love Relove. It's one of the cheaper brands from Revolution, one of their sister brands, and I think that's one of the reasons I absolutely love them, because they're cheaper. So everything is under £5, and this is their Ghostin range, which is for Halloween this year. That is their eyeshadow palette. I think this is gorgeous. I think these are going to retail for £5 the eyeshadow palettes. I can't remember, £3. I'm gonna have to double check at some point in this video, but this is what it looks like. Can you see the little cherries indented in there? They've got a few things in this range, including 2 lip kits, which we are definitely going to be trying out. They've got a lip stain. Can you see how watery that is? That is crazy. I'm very intrigued by this one. It's called Bitten. Should we just like give it a little swatch? Because I don't think I'm going to use this one today, because I want to do some lip swatch videos after. So literally it is so watery. Let me get that off my hand before it stains. Yep. It's stained. Okay, so first things first, let's swatch the eyeshadow palette. My brother's hoovering. Hopefully you can't hear it because the mic is right on me and like it's not on the camera. So that is the swatches of the palette. So pigmented. Very excited to use it. And that black, when I took it off my finger with a baby wipe, it came straight off, which usually they take a little bit of scrubbing, but that is gorgeous. So I'm going to try and use as many colours from this palette as possible. I'm hoping I can use all of them. And right now, because I'm like fighting a cold and I'm trying not for it to get me, my ears are very echoey. So if I sound weird, it's because I can't hear myself properly. But yeah, let's put some eye base on. Alright, let's start this. So I want to start with the orange shade and just put that in my crease. They're very dusty, so be careful of that, which I don't mind. You just got to dust them off. Sounds like people are having parties outside, so if you can hear that, sorry. For me, the brush I was using actually hurt my wrist a little, so we're going to move on to that burgundy shade. I cannot wait. This shade is calling my name, but look how pigmented that is. I just want to put that lower and deepen this up a bit more. These are so pigmented. I should have just dabbed my brush in it once. That one's better because I only dabbed my brush in it once, I didn't swirl it. Whereas this one is very blocky, so that's going to take a lot of blending. Now we're going to add the black on the outer corner, which is just that shade right here. This palette is so stunning. I love that these are so affordable. Doesn't pick up as much, which is good because I've noticed they're hella pigmented. I'm just going to take this on the outer corner and then blend it into that red burgundy kind of shade. I think this is where I go off camera and try and blend this for about 10 minutes. So it's definitely gonna need that. Okay, I'm thinking let's go in with like this burnt orange reddish kind of tone on the outer half of the crease here. Oh, that is nice. And then we're going to put the pink either over it or in the inner corner part. Let's see what I'm feeling. Let's try the pink now and put that in the inner corner. It's not as bright, but I do want to try and like use all the shades. And then back in on the red just to go over it a bit. Yeah, I didn't like the pink. I'm just going to go over it with the red completely. Like that. Alright, I will blend out the black into it and then we'll be moving on to the lips, which I'm excited for. Alright, so most of my makeup is on. Now let's do the lips. I'm thinking ombre. Let's open these bad boys up and actually swatch them for you. So we have a black lip kit. This is in the shade black velvet, and just look at the packaging. The packaging is absolutely stunning. So let's do this. It is so creamy. Oh, and it's quite pigmented as well. I like that. So it's actually got quite a lot of products. Considering these are all under £5, you'd expect it to maybe have like less products in, but there's not. Oh, the red one. This ombre is gonna look stunning. Oh, the red's not as creamy. That's different. Okay. And then we've got the lip kit, and I just love the writing on these lip kits and the whole thing. It's a very pale kind of cherry red, and this one is in the shade Red Swoon. And that is the box. The boxes are gorgeous. They're absolutely stunning. So let's do this ombre lip. That is the black lip liner on. And now let's put the red in the center. For some reason, ombre in it just didn't work. I didn't like the look of it, to be honest. So I just put the black lip kit on, and I love it. I absolutely think it is gorgeous. So yeah, I need to add some inner corner and brow bone highlight, and we need to use the only shade in this palette we haven't used, because I've saved it for this, which is the gold. Can you see? Where did that go? I'll fix that in a second. I'm gonna go and add some mascara, fix whatever happened to the top lip, and I'll be back. Okay, so someone is actually drilling, so I'm gonna have to try and talk over them. These lip kits are hella drying. It is so annoying. So the lip liner's nice, but can you see this? Look at all the gaps. I've had to like reapply certain areas. It's just, they are way too drying for me. I probably won't reach for them that much. I'm gonna have to try the red one at some point and see if that one works, but ombre in them just did not work. So yeah, lip kits are not my favorite, but I love the eyeshadow palette. I love the aesthetic, like how they spell Ghostin, this range, and this palette is something I'll reach for whether or not it's Halloween. So I love it, and these cost about £3, so it's very pigmented, blends out like a dream. They're gorgeous shades, and you know what, these are just perfect sizes. So I love these little palettes. They're like one of my favorite from Revolution. I didn't really buy a lot from the range. I have got the red eyeliner on the way. I do know that it's like more of an SFX range, so they've got like a face paint palette, they've got fake blood, there's a cherry mist as well, which I really want to try. Yeah, they are really dry, and I've just realized how drying it is on my arm there. So yeah, they've got a few things in this range. I've just picked up what I would use. I've got the red liner on the way, so I will use that at some point. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like I said, please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.